So we'll have a quick recap what we discussed in the last session. So we discussed about timings and we discussed about the two programs what we are running. One is online training, the another one is 100% job guarantee program. And if you complete this course, for what sort of job titles you can apply, is all are same. Okay, but the naming conventions are different. And we discussed about what is the meaning of Oracle and application and financials. And when we talk about the versions or releases, when we talk about Oracle applications, we have Oracle EBS 11a R12 and Fusion or Cloud. So 11a already outdated. Oracle is not providing any licenses and they are not supporting. Only for few premium customers, they are still supporting. And EBS R12 many clients are using. And when you talk about Fusion, the upcoming all new implementations are happening, 99% happening in the Fusion only. And latest is R13. In R13 again, every quarter they release the patches. We are going to work on very latest environment. And we discussed a simple point here. If the applications are deployed in our server that we call as Oracle Fusion Financials, the applications are deployed in Oracle servers. We include the term called as cloud. That we will get more detailed understanding in the today's session. And also we discussed what are the different product families we have from Oracle side. Few we discussed, and there are many, but our area is going to be financials. Along with the financials, we are going to learn the basics from supply chain management also. From supply chain management, we are going to learn basics since there is a kind of connection with a CM for finance. There, as per business, there will be communication between this finance and the supply chain management related business activities. That is the reason we should aware of supply chain management at a very basic level. And we'll have a deep dive on this financial application. Our focus would be on financials. And here we discussed as a part of financials, primarily which applications we are going to learn. Along with that, which additional applications for expense tax we are going to learn, we discussed. And from each finance application, primarily what we are going to learn, we discussed. These are the points. And when we work on these applications, for certain reasons, we have to come across these applications with different purposes, reasons. Those also we will cover. From supply chain management side, these are the applications we set up and will understand with a basic transaction process flow, which is really required for finance consultants. And also we discussed the people like any technology or anything, there will be three different roles: functional, technical, and administration, or DBA you can call. When we talk about our Oracle related applications, so being a functional consultant, we fall under this functional consultant categorization. So what we do, we learn the applications, okay, as a part of learning. So we learn how to set up the application, how to use it. When we are working, we don't show to anybody how to set up, just will show them how to use that application. Just will provide the training, will help them. If any client will start using the application, if they are facing some issues, we will help them, since we'll be knowing in and out. And being a technical consultant, what technical consultants will do? We will work as a functional consultant. Technical consultant will take care of the customizations. If anything is required, newly they create or they modify and they connect one application with another application, which we call as integration. And apps, DBS, database administrator, they're responsible to install the application, take care of the maintenance of the servers. Now, these days, everything are managed by Oracle only as a part of Oracle Fusion Cloud. So no DBAs you will have in your project. Hardly you will have a functional consultants and technical consultants and manager. So mostly this is how you can see. So these are the points we discussed. Now let's talk about what is the fusion. Okay, what is a fusion? Say there is a company called as XYZ. They want to use any software to manage their business data or to manage their business process. Say they are in the need of financials application to maintain their finance related data. They need supply chain management applications to manage their supply chain related business processes and data. Human capital management applications, they need to maintain their employees' payroll processes. Project portfolio management applications, they need to manage their projects, what they are doing. And procurement applications to perform and to maintain the procurement activities. And they need some reporting tools also. So say this is a requirement of XYZ company. Now, take simple example. If you want to buy the laptop, okay, if you want to buy the laptop, from which brand you are going to buy the laptop? You may respond.
Lenovo or Dell.
Lenovo or Dell. If you want to buy the mobile, think mobiles are available from Lenovo and the Dell. Mobiles are available. Think you and me, we don't know, but mobiles are available. So you are going to buy the mobile from which brand? If you want to buy the mobile.
Whichever brand is good name, we will buy. Apple.
Yeah,
Oh,
you may choose iPhone or you may choose Samsung or you may choose something else. If you want to buy a car, again, you will go, which is the best, right? Which is you go with you need luxury or you need just at less price. Is all you look into and finally you take the decision. It means so even Dell is a great brand. Okay, we pick laptops only from Dell. So may not be other products because those are not really great. Brand may be great, good, but not product is not good. So however we are choosing, if you say laptop, you pick from the Dell product, Dell company. And if you are buying phone, maybe from Apple. If you are buying car, depending on your budget, we are choosing what we need, which is the best. In the same way, when I talk about company, they need solution for financials, they need solution for supply chain management, they need solution for human capital management, they need solution for project portfolio management. So even they have to look for finance solution, which company is providing best software, supply chain management, which company providing best software, they have to look into that. So if they look into that point, finance is very strong from Oracle only. From Oracle company, financials is very, very strong and very famous. You compare with anything, Oracle is the best for finance solution. And for any company supply chain management solutions, okay, or supply chain management solutions. So here JDE and some part from Oracle also very good. JD Edwards. Okay, so for supply chain management and procurement, say that's very good. And if you talk about human capital management solution is very famous from PeopleSoft, which you call as HCM. And if any company is looking for CRM solution, customer relationship management. So CRM solution is very famous from Siebel company. If any company is looking for budgeting reporting capabilities, Hyperion is the best product. Hyperion company is really doing good. So Hyperion is the best product. And if you are looking for any project scheduling other activities, Primavera is good. And if you are looking for sales and distribution best solution, SAP is the good. So this is how every company has some specializations in terms of great solution. Now tell me, this company should pick which company products. It's a big question. In case of as individuals, we can buy the laptop from one brand, we can buy the mobile from another brand, we can buy the car from another brand. These all we are not going to connect. Those are isolated, separate. You can use mobile for mobile purpose, laptop for laptop purpose. But these all are software applications, software products, which should connect each other. The finance application should have a just communication with the supply chain management applications. All the applications should have a communication with human capital management applications. And with all the applications, we need reporting tools to pull the data. That's how you have to establish the connection across all these applications. If you are going to buy finance solution from Oracle and HCM from PeopleSoft and CRM from Siebel, yes, you can do that. But you need technical consultants who will be connecting. You will be integrating all these applications. They have to do the integration, connection. They have to do the integrations. Technical consultant has to connect. Yes, they may connect, but day in, day out, there will be many challenges. Every day, the company, the respective departments will be using all these applications, and the company should take the license from Oracle, PeopleSoft, JD, Siebel, and SAP, Primavera from different companies. They have to invest a lot, and they need experts in all these areas from the different technologies or products. And again, the challenge is always these are connected. Okay, technical people are connected. There will be a number of challenges. Now, what companies are doing in the market is say, yes, these are very much specialized. So they need solution like finance, HCM, and a CRM solution. Three are not best in any one of the software products which are available in the market. In that scenario, what they are doing is, what is their primary area? If their primary area is finance, they are going with Oracle. The rest also they are buying from Oracle only. Even compared to PeopleSoft HCM, Oracle HRMS is not good. The Oracle HRMS, Human Resource Management we call. Oracle HRMS is not so great if you compare with PeopleSoft HCM product. Okay, these are the company names. Right? These are the company names, these are the solutions. Oracle is offering many solutions. Oracle is offering supply chain management, procurement, CRM, and all they're offering. But which is the best from Oracle Financials? So, if any company wants to use multiple solutions for their company, which is their primary area, they are picking where it is available. Rest also they are picking from that company only. There is a one company they are into recruitment solutions. Then they need finance, HCM, and says something like CRM. Then which product they have to choose? Their primary area is HCM. So they'll choose the product from PeopleSoft. From PeopleSoft itself, they choose finance also instead of going with other. But anyway, their primary is HCM. They are getting from PeopleSoft. But if any company is looking for the best solutions for all their business areas of solutions, there is no product in the market. If we talk about Oracle, yes, it's very strong for financials. If we talk about SAP, it's really great for SD and maybe a few other areas. If we talk about PeopleSoft, it's really awesome solution for HCM. Or else you take Workday. Workday HCM also really good. So this is under Civil, it's very famous for CRM. That's how we have. If any company need different solutions as a best no product in the market. So that is the time Oracle, what they did is, they acquired almost all the best solutions which are available in the market. So Oracle acquired PeopleSoft company. Now HCM is their own product. Oracle acquired JDE. This best solution is available from Oracle only. Siebel Oracle acquired, Siebel company. Hyperion Oracle acquired. Primavera Oracle acquired, but not this. Not only this, many other. You take NetSuite, you take many other applications, and many technologies also Oracle acquired. After acquiring, what they did is, so they taken financials from their own product, and they taken HCM from the PeopleSoft. From PeopleSoft, they selected HCM, and they taken SCM procurement from JDE, from other areas of applications, CRM from Siebel, reporting budgeting from Hyperion, project planning and scheduling from Primavera and all. And all now these all companies products became Oracle products. Reality, this is PeopleSoft HCM, this is Siebel CRM. So Oracle acquired all these companies, and now these all are Oracle products. Now with these best products, they built an application called as Fusion applications. If any company is going to use Fusion applications, they get everything as a best. Finance, what they are using, the legacy of their own product, Oracle product only. HCM, what they use, that is the legacy of PeopleSoft. Now Oracle PeopleSoft only. Now it became Oracle PeopleSoft. Now client no need to go and contact 10, 20 companies for best solutions. If they go and contact Oracle under umbrella of this Oracle Fusion, you will get everything best. So that's how they built solution called as Fusion. Fusion means the best solutions they fused into one. That is the ultimate product which is available in the market now. Now, client need 4 solutions. Yes, they can get 4 as a best, because already the best solutions Oracle combined and they built product called as Fusion. Now, if any company is going to use these products, everything they'll see as a Oracle Fusion Financials, Oracle Fusion HCM, Oracle Fusion CRM. They don't see. So Oracle PeopleSoft HCM, Oracle PeopleSoft CRM. No. Oracle Siebel CRM. No. They directly see as a Oracle Fusion Finance, Oracle Fusion HCM, Oracle Fusion SCM, Oracle Fusion Projects. So that's how they can find within the solution. So that real actual legacy is from the other products they purchased and they are using within the Fusion application, so that every client is going to get best solutions which are available in the market with under title of Fusion application. Now all these products are owned by Oracle. So this is what we have to understand the meaning of Fusion applications. Any questions here, please? Any questions, please? Even EPM also their product. Okay, it was Hyperion earlier. Okay, they acquired and they did some changes and they improved and they introduced as EPM, Enterprise Performance Management. Any questions here, please? Great. Hope it is clear to everyone. Now, let's talk about what does it mean by cloud. Before we understand about cloud, what else we have to understand, we'll see first. Okay. What else we have to understand, we'll see. We have to understand about what is on-premise. On-premise means the company can buy their own servers. They have to invest. Say, take this example. There is a company called as XYZ Inc. They want to use Fusion applications for their company. What they want to use, let it be maybe finance or SCM and all, or specific. They want to use Fusion applications for their company. Typically, what they have to do is they have to buy their servers. They have to buy the server infrastructure, which will cost good amount. And that servers they have to locate in specific location. Take example, they are placing the servers in USA. Okay, servers are ready. They invested a lot of money, and they have to allocate separate room for servers to deploy, and they have to consume the power to run that server, and they have to take the license from Oracle for the applications which they are going to use for their company. License will cost too much, and to run that server, to install that applications and to take care of the maintenance, they need Fusion DBA. They have to get the Fusion DBA to install the applications to take care of the maintenance of those applications or server. And the DBA should install those applications in the server. And the DBA or someone else should take care of the network security administration related activities. And the DBA should take care of the server maintenance. If Oracle is going to release some new functionalities or features, bug fix, etc., issue fixing, so that this client team should take care of those as a separate activity. And whenever something is new from Oracle that they don't get here, so they may just update their server or applications 1 year or 2-3 years once. All the time online updates they don't get since they are maintaining their own server. This is a very, very biggest challenge for all the companies. Their own servers and the license, maintaining the DBA team and the maintenance and upgrades all will become challenge. If the company is operated in the 10 countries, from 10 countries, all the users should connect to the server which is located in USA. If user is sitting in India and user is trying to connect to the server, the experience point of view, it would be very bad. Okay, the user who is sitting in India, if they try to connect to the server, the connection can be established immediately. It may respond, it can fetch the data on fast track. But if user is sitting in India, if they're trying to connect, many things will come in the play. It may take some time to respond, and it may take some delay also in terms of responding, since it's a physical server. It's located somewhere and you located somewhere else in between. Everything should happen through network and internet connection. Is all like internet resource and all network resource all need to be supported and should be in the full sync. And even everything is fine, it takes some time. It cannot get just like that. So that kind of bad experience when users are connecting from different countries. So to avoid all these, Oracle came up with the cloud solution. In case of cloud, what happens is, being a company, if you want to use Oracle applications, you no need to worry about all this. Simple. You no need to buy the servers. Oracle will take care of the servers. Okay, Oracle will take care of the servers. You are locating the servers in specific location, but Oracle will provide virtual servers. Where is your server in US? Where is a virtual server? Wherever you have internet, there is a virtual server. And license. You have to take the license to, if you want to use Oracle applications or say Oracle Fusion applications. But if you are going to use Oracle servers, you no need to take the license. You can take subscription. Okay, it's very simple. The difference between license and subscription fees are like, if you buy the car, you know how much you have to pay. If you take the car for rent, you know how much you have to pay. That much difference. You can pay very less amount. You can start using in case of on cloud environments. Okay, you no need to take the license. So Oracle will provide you the virtual instance for subscription base. And you don't need any DBAs. If you go with Oracle virtual instance, if you go with the cloud, no DBAs required, no installation is required, no network security admin, no server maintenance, no upgrades. This all Oracle will take care. It's all Oracle will take care. And the servers also Oracle will take care. And the license also you no need to take, just take subscription. That's how it's a big benefit. They no need to worry about buying the server by investing lakhs, if require crores, and they no need to have a server's room space. They no need to deploy in the office big room and the servers, and you no need to have a just power bills. There are many. They're all just you can just write off, and you can choose Oracle cloud solution. In case of cloud, what happens? This is what we discuss as on-premise. In case of cloud, what Oracle is doing is, they are using the big servers. They are using the big server. By using the big servers, they create virtual servers. They create multiple virtual servers. By using virtualization concept. Hope you may aware of VMware. Okay, that is the best example for virtualization. So by using the big physical servers, they'll create virtual servers. And the virtual servers, they'll keep available internet as a source. They'll create virtual servers. For every client, they will give access to one virtual server. Okay. They'll give access to virtual server. Say you are running the business in 3 countries, USA, India, and UAE. So Oracle allocated one virtual server for you. Now you are working in India, you are working in US, and you are working in UAE. And the same virtual server, what they are doing is they are trying to keep available in your country in their data centers or some other data centers. It's not physical, first of all, it is virtual. Even it is virtual, they are trying to keep very, very close to you, or they are trying to keep wherever you are. They'll keep available that server in the very, very nearest data centers for you, so that whenever you hit the server, it will be there. The moment you hit, it would be there because it is residing in the nearest data centers, which Oracle is maintaining or some their other vendors are maintaining for Oracle purpose. So that's how you can think wherever internet you have, there your server is available. Okay, just one click away. It is not like you click and it will click somewhere else. It will just progress and it will produce something. No, the moment you click, it will respond. So that's how that by using the cloud computing concept, they are creating virtual servers. The virtual servers they are keeping available for every client by maintaining the same virtual servers in their nearest data center. Say they created one virtual server. Client is operating in the 3 countries. The same copy they will keep available in the US data center, India data center, UAE data center. And that virtual server, what they are copying in this 3 data center will have a full sync. You have to understand 3 are 1 only. They are keeping available that virtual server resource in these data centers. Whatever you do from India, it would be updated, and whatever you do from India and UAE, it will get updated. All will be the full sync. You don't need to think. So they maintain 3 places separately. No. With a full sync, they maintain. So that's how that user experience would be really great, and they are not going to worry about the server. Servers will be always up and running. 99.9999% per servers are up and running from Oracle side. So they don't need to invest all this. These are the challenges all we can avoid if you go with Oracle cloud options. Cloud means so you are going to use virtual servers, no more physical servers. Those virtual servers are created and provided by Oracle company. If you are going to use Oracle Fusion applications, and they will keep those virtual servers again available in your country in the nearest data centers what we have. Take example, WhatsApp. So I'm sitting in Hyderabad, you might be sitting in Delhi. If I hit WhatsApp application, it will respond. If you hit WhatsApp application, it quickly it will respond for you. For both of us, the virtual servers may not be same. Because of user load and transaction load, they might be maintaining one server for Hyderabad, one server for Delhi, one server for another city, but this all will be in the full sync. So based on the demand, based on the load of requests and data generation, they will plan how many data server, how many like virtual servers in which data centers they have to deploy. We take Facebook and WhatsApp and other these which most of the people uses. So they have many virtual servers which are deployed almost in all the cities. That's how we have to think. So that's all about understanding what does it mean by cloud. Cloud means we are going to use virtual servers which are provided by Oracle. This understanding is enough for us because we are not going to work as some cloud computing consultant. Okay. So this is what we have to understand. Still, if something is stopping you to understand few points related to this, let me know, we'll discuss.
Lakshman, I just wanted to understand that let's say for Oracle provides virtual server, then this virtual server will be dedicated to a single company because
Yes.
WhatsApp and
Yes.
all it's a
No.
public app.
One second. Yes. Answer is yes.
Okay, got it.
Because they don't provide one for multiple because it's sensitive data for every client, right? Nobody is ready to mix their data with other company data.
Right.
Okay. So the actual name we will discuss. As of now, you take as a virtual server. Going forward, you'll understand that is that we call as instance.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yes.
Hello.
Any other questions?
Yes, Lakshman, do you experience that as soon as the companies move to the cloud, uh, the speed of performing the transaction is getting slower as compared to on-premise application? What's your views in that?
Yeah, that totally depends. Like sometimes, generally, I never come across. It is exceptional case which I'm just finding from you. So in that case, just you have to contact with Oracle. They can increase the system resource and they look into that troubleshooting that challenges, what aligned with that virtual server, what they allocated. Okay. So again, you have to see that region also. In a few countries and all, they don't allow. See, if take a few Middle East countries, so they don't allow to servers to be available in India or US where they will access. That should be deployed in that region only. And again, the data centers, what Oracle is maintaining or somebody is maintaining maybe in the poor condition. And different points need to be considered. I never come across with this. Okay. So if you come across, these are the points you have to make a note and you have to keep in touch with Oracle to increase the speed of the performance of virtual server. See, even sometime you are using bench car, it doesn't work, right? So you may not be able to like.
Yeah, I personally experienced that in on-premise when server is with the company, the speed is
No. See, that is not a very much valid point to discuss now. If you are interested, I'll talk about it at the end of the session. Okay. So
no,
cloud
that's
servers
it.
are not like
I
that
got the
by default. One second. By default, cloud servers are not like that. If you come across with that, if you want to discuss, yeah, we'll discuss. No worries. But that is exceptional case if you have such kind of experience. Any other questions, please?
So this cloud functionality is available in Fusion only, or it is available for R12?
Yeah. R12 also companies can use. What they can do is, say they are using their own server. Take example, they have their own server. In this own server, they are using EBS R12 application. For EBS R12 application, Oracle is not providing any cloud solution. But there is an option. They can buy the cloud space and they can lift EBS R12 application with the help of DBA. They can shift to cloud environment. But you should have a DBA to take care of all those. Again, rest of game is same. Environment will be same, different from on-premise, from your office to, okay, the application in your office, in the server you have. Now those applications from the server, you are moving to cloud environment. That's how you can move. Rest all same, the licensing and DBAs, etc., all you have to take care. Only deployment you are changing. Instead of keeping in your own server, you are moving to cloud environment. That you can do for EBS also, but rest everything you have to take care. Oracle is not going to help you. Just they will give you storage space. That's all.
Okay.
Yeah, that we
Along
call
with
as lift
EDP,
and shift model. So EBS applications also, few clients started running on the cloud, but everything Oracle will don't take care of. Everything Oracle is not going to take care. They'll provide the cloud space. That means their server will become virtual and everything you people should take care. If it is in your own server, how you are taking care, the same you have to take care.
okay, even the upgrades of Oracle.
Everything you have to take care. That is the point. Okay.
Yeah.
Oracle is not providing just Oracle is selling you cloud space only.
Yeah, understand. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other questions, please? Great, no questions. Now, as a company, you want to use Oracle Fusion Cloud applications. What are the different options are available from Oracle? Let's see. So these are the three options are available from Oracle: SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. Okay, SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. These are the different options are available. So what is a SaaS? SaaS stands for software as a service. First S stands for software, then second letter A stands for as, third letter A stands for A, S stands for service. Software as a service. As a company, if you are going to opt the subscription as a SaaS subscription or model called as SaaS, you will get all the applications. Say you are taking the subscription from Oracle for financials and the supply chain management and HCM. Let's take this example. You are taking subscription for 3 product families: finance, SCM, HCM. You pay amount accordingly. Oracle will give you the access to those applications. How Oracle built as it is, you will get access. You have to use them as it is. What are the product functionalities Oracle is providing and what you need, accordingly you can pick and you can use it. If you want to do some changes to any one of the application, you got access to payables application as a company, and you want to modify something in the payables, you want to create new page or you want to modify existing page, it is not possible in case of SaaS. You have to use as it is. And by default, Oracle is providing the reports for each and every application. They are providing the reports for payables, GL, AR, we discussed applications. For each and every application, they have to view the data. They have to look into that, what transactions they've done, what invoices they created, payments, etc. For every application, Oracle is providing the reports. Along with that, if you want to develop new reports, yes, you can do in case of SaaS. Because developing new reports is nothing but what data you want to see. Okay. Reports, like new reports, you can develop. So your client is using Oracle Fusion applications and they are using financials and SCM. And HCM applications, say they are going to use from Workday. Okay. Say your client is using Fusion Finance, Fusion SCM, but HCM solution. Okay, HCM solution, they are not using from Oracle, they are using from Workday. In this scenario, you have to connect this HCM applications with Fusion applications. Okay, so you have to send. For that reason, you have to connect Workday HCM application with the Fusion applications. For that, the technical people should build the integration with the concept called as interface. Yes, that is also possible. If you are a SaaS customer, you can integrate third-party applications with the Fusion application. Here, Workday we call as third party. It is not from Oracle. Third-party application. And when we are using Oracle Fusion applications, you are using standard applications as it is. You are not modifying. You are not changing anything in the payables or receivables what Oracle given. As it is, you are using. If Oracle will come up with any changes, any improvements in that product, your environment will be upgraded automatically. You don't need to worry about, because you are not disturbing anything. Oracle will respect and they will help you better. So that's how you can have a SaaS solution. As a company, if you want to use Oracle Fusion applications, and you may take SaaS subscription, if you are a SaaS customer, you will get access to standard application and your consultant will implement and you can start using. And if you need any reports, Oracle by default provides many reports. If you want to have a additional reports, yes, the technical consultant can develop. That is possible in the SaaS. And if they want to build any integrations with the third-party applications to get the data into Fusion applications with various reasons, yes, integrations or say creating the interfaces are possible in the cloud, as in case of SaaS. and easily your SaaS environment can be upgraded to latest. If you take the PaaS subscription from Oracle as a client or customer, PaaS stands for Platform as a Service. Yes, you will get access to standard applications. If you want to modify the standard applications also, you can do that. You call as customization. Say the payables, I need 2 more pages. Okay, payables, I need 2 more pages. Say in the payables, if you take payables, so when you deal with your suppliers and you want to maintain the bank guarantee or some other information, there is no page to maintain the bank guarantee information. So in that case, you have to develop new page where you can maintain the bank guarantee or other guarantee. So for that, if you are a SaaS customer, it is not possible. SaaS environment, SaaS cloud environment doesn't allow you to create new pages. But if you take the PaaS subscription, so you can develop. Oracle will provide the platform where you can develop new things and you can deploy and you can use within the same environment with the help of technical consultant. So whatever you create as a new, that always we call as customization. Okay, the system point of view, the terminology is customization. If you create something new, that you call as customization. Okay, so we call it customization. So by using the customization concept, technical people can create the new pages. If required, they may create altogether new application also. Okay, say for example, the client need an application called as loan management. Loan management application is not available from Oracle, from Fusion Cloud. Take this case. So they can get the technical consultant, they can give the information. So loan management means this is how we get the loans from the financial institutions or outside other parties. And this is how we maintain, this is how we repay, this is how we have to manage these reports we require, this is how we have to split the loan, this is how we have to manage that loan installments, and this and that the client will explain. Okay, this all like need to be developed by technical consultant. By taking this requirement, they may need 3, 4, 5 pages to manage this complete loans. Since product is not available from Oracle for loan management, so they can develop and then they'll deploy, client will start using. That is a custom application. It may be custom page or custom application. So that is possible in the PaaS. Reports anyway possible in the SaaS also. Even creating new report also we call it customization, but that is not a customization which is going to impact the standard product. But these customizations will impact because they are changing the pages, they are adding the pages, they are creating new pages, they are creating some mess. Okay. So reports also we can create in the PaaS. SaaS itself, it allows to create the new reports. In PaaS also, everything you get same as it is what you get in the SaaS. What is the benefit in case of PaaS? You can create new pages, new applications. Here you can create the same point I given. Okay, so you can create the new pages or applications. Okay, new pages or applications you can create. Upgrade, you are spoiling the application. Okay, just I'm using term as spoiling, it's not spoiling. You are doing the customizations, you are disturbing the application. That is the reason Oracle is not going to support you to upgrade your environment automatically. That should be done as a separate activity. It doesn't happen just like that as an auto upgrade. Okay, you have to take care, you have to deploy the team, they have to look after many things. If we are going to upgrade, what are the customizations you did, like pages or application or many other things, you have to take care, carefully how to execute that program. So that's how it is. What is the difference between SaaS and PaaS? SaaS, you cannot do the key customization. Key customization means creating new pages and new applications. There will be a concept called as personalizations also. SaaS allows to do the personalization. Personalization means you want to hide one tab, you want to hide one field, or else you want to make one optional field as a mandatory. These we call as personalization. That you can do in the SaaS, and just basic personalizations you can do in the SaaS. But complex and conditional based personalizations you cannot do in the SaaS, you can do only in the PaaS. And the same way, so customizations, creating report and interface also we call as customization only. but those are allowed in the SaaS. The PaaS, along with the report and interfaces, will be able to create the pages or application. The benefit with the SaaS is auto upgrade is possible, but in case of PaaS, that is not at all possible. So 95% of the clients are using the SaaS only. 95%. Only 5-6% clients are using PaaS, who are very, very big clients. In case of very, very big clients, there will be complex business process. So client is very, very big, they are using PaaS. So small and mid-sized clients, or say most of the clients, are using SaaS subscription from Oracle. So IaaS is nothing but infrastructure as service. You don't get anything from the Oracle. Okay. You don't get anything from Oracle. You get storage space. Okay. So you get storage space. Just say you want to like store 100 TB data in your laptop, but your laptop supports only 500 GB. You have a hard disk with a 500 GB. How you can store? But again, your requirement is only want to store for 2 days. Then what you will do? Tell me. What is your solution? I'm asking. Not interested to say?
Cloud space.
Yes. You look for some temporary solution. Okay. You may contact Amazon Web Services and you can just tell them like, I need 1 TB space. I need it for 2 days. They may sell for 2 days. They may say minimum 1 month you have to buy the subscription. You may take 1 month subscription. You may pay maybe 500 rupees. And all the files you can move into cloud space. Just you are using for storage, that we call as IaaS. So you get storage space. Within that, anything you can store. You may take the license from Oracle. You may install EBS 11A applications or R12 applications, even Fusion applications or SAP applications. Anything you install. That is the space Oracle is giving for you. That would be the virtual server. And you can just put anything. You keep the documents or you put just keep the software inside of it or install the software if you want to use and maintain anything. So that's how you get access. Here you don't need to understand much about it. Here no applications would be there by default. So when you work for any project, you come across with the SaaS or PaaS. For us, both are same. Only the additional benefit in the PaaS is customizations can be done. Those will be done by technical consultant. For us, both are same. Product functionality would be same. You may work for SaaS client or PaaS client. You will do the same work. So that is the point you have to understand about these cloud options or cloud model. You can call as these are the subscription options. Okay. Most of the clients are subscribing SaaS model. Very few clients are big clients whose business process is very complex, who has a global operations in many, many countries. They are going with a PaaS. Now, questions, please.
Lakshman, so in SaaS and PaaS, interfacing part is also same or what?
Same.
Okay.
And another point, let me add. In SaaS, you can access to the database. Database access you will get. Okay, you can write SQL, PL, SQL queries, but everything you have to do within the environment itself. But in case of PaaS, you can create the schemas, you can create the tables because you are creating the new pages and applications. And you can access to the database in case of PaaS with the third-party tools also. But in SaaS, you cannot access to the database with the third-party tools. Within the SaaS environment itself, they given one page. From that page, you have to write SQL queries if you have to view the data. That's how it's different.
Lakshman, I have a question. In the PaaS, do we have an option to create new ADF pages?
Yes, anything you can do.
No, I guess Oracle is replaced with VBCS, right? Lightweight pages, not allowing to ADF new pages in PaaS model. I guess PaaS and SaaS are both same in the instance wise. Only PaaS is that we have to install extra OIC layer. There we can do all data transformations and everything and integrate to with the PaaS, and also VBC. We are using the VBCS and
No,
developing
one
the
second,
custom.
one second. See, VB.
CS.
CS. What do you
Yeah.
mean by VBCS? How it is
A-
different from the ADF pages? Tell me.
ADF pages, see, these VBCS is Visual Basic Cloud Services.
Hmm.
These are lightweight pages.
Hmm.
So we can develop application or whatever the page is, and just simply using the sandbox, we are invoking these pages into our SaaS application.
Do you know in
The-
terms of, no, yes, you are right. I agree with
Hmm.
you. So in terms of costing and all, do you know what is the difference?
Costing, I know, yes, that's what. See, PaaS model means they have to go
No,
at least
not
the
that
OIC.
point. If client is using VBCS, okay, virtual builder, like by using that virtual basis pages and all, how Oracle will charge in case of ADF, how Oracle will charge? Do you know that very difference?
Yes, yeah, but ADF, I guess this is inbuilt with
No,
Fusion.
you can build new pages also.
Yes,
With a
but
technical support.
yeah, in the OIC layer itself, they've given the provision to develop any custom application or custom page in VBCS, and then that can be invoked from our SaaS layer.
Correct.
Like
That's
using the
true.
personalization. Even if you want to add extra columns to the existing page, through sandbags, we can do that, I guess.
No,
To
correct.
develop,
What you are saying, correct. The key point here is, see, you have a requirement. You have a requirement, you have to develop the 10 pages. Okay. So which one client has to choose? If they use ADF, Application Development Framework, by using that pages, whatever the transactions client will record, they don't charge anything. Okay. If you build VBCS by using the VBCS, if you are building the pages based on the volume, the data what you are generating, Oracle will charge. Okay.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, VBCS all per message.
I'll tell you
One
second. I'll tell you. And few clients, what they do is, instead of, see, some clients, what they do is, they'll be having very simple requirements, but still to enter such kind of data, they need to give access to their business users. Okay. So there are 100 business users whose task is very simple. Okay. Whose task is very simple. They have to create only invoice, not regular base, maybe weekly one invoice they have to create. In that case, for 100 users, if they are taking the subscription for payables application, it will cost good amount of money, right?
Yes.
For that, what that such kind of clients they do is, they will create the page by using VBCS. Okay.
Yeah, got it. Yeah.
To that page, they will give access to this 100 business users. Now you can give it to 1,000 users also. Oracle is not going to charge based on the headcount. How much volume of the data they are generating from the VBCS, the pages, that's how they'll charge. In those cases, client can use this. That's how these two are different. Hope you got my point.
Yes. Because see, we have some complex approvals and custom applications.
Anything you name, this is how it works. Whatever, what purpose you want to use, do you want to take this kind of benefit, or else you have some specific business requirement? No worries, you can use anyone. You can use. This is how different. Before just selecting this ADF or VBCS, this is a point the client has to look into, or else the technical consultant or functional consultant should explain to the client. Yeah.
Okay, got it. Yeah, because see, that OS layer is useful to data transformation and custom pages and complex
No,
approvals.
for anything. There is no some like
Yes,
you wanted
restriction.
to say like there are restrictions. No.
Yes.
It's free to fly. Yeah. Got it. Fine. Good. Any other questions, please?
Regarding this upgrade, in SaaS, upgrade will be automatic, and in PaaS, upgrade will be no automatic. So, in PaaS, we are using the standard functionality as well. So, standard
We are
functionality.
using, but along with that, you are doing a lot many customizations. You are modifying, right? So that is reason how Oracle should treat you before they go and upgrade and all. If they upgrade directly, your customizations and what are the changes you did, all will get disturbed. You cannot use the application also. That is the reason. So Oracle says we don't want to take the risk by upgrading. If we upgrade and how it works for you, we don't know. You please take care of that engagement. Okay, we will support. That's what Oracle says.
Okay. Even standard upgradation will not happen in PaaS, right?
The standard upgradation, that only I'm talking. Standard upgradation only I'm talking about.
Okay. So
Yeah.
it will also be customized, no automatic,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes. If you customize, just you have to do it in the slow mode.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
please. Any other questions, please?
Hi, the point that you mentioned some time ago regarding the Artwell, that there is an option now to move it to cloud.
Lift
So
and
is that
shift.
an example?
Lift
Is
and
that an
shift.
example of IaaS?
Yeah, yes, you can take as IaaS. IaaS, if not IaaS, they have some other services also.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Yes. IaaS also you can apply that. Any other questions?
Even in the infrastructure as a service, right, Lakshman, even we can go Amazon Web Services, right? Not only Oracle
Yes,
Cloud.
yes, not only
Yeah.
Oracle. I'm not talking.
Yeah.
See, SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, these services are available from almost all the cloud computing companies. Okay.
Yeah.
But in the SaaS and PaaS, you will get that company related applications, or else they may help you to get other applications installed and give you that service. Okay. If you call, okay, if you just call any company as cloud computing, they will have these options.
But I guess when you do that, apart from Oracle Cloud, Oracle saying that Oracle not support any infrastructure wise, any issues comes, and if you use AWS Cloud.
Yeah, that is true. Like
Yeah.
Oracle can help you if you are using Amazon Web Services and all, if you are using that cloud solution. So Oracle can help you if there is any issue with your application. If there is any like infrastructure related issue, because that infrastructure is not managed and managed by Oracle, right?
Yeah.
Managed by Amazon. You
Yes.
have to contact them. Inside of that, if you have some issues, Oracle will support. Still, they can have some other kind of conflict statements, because they may not like why you are going to Amazon when we are here. That could be their concern. They can respond how they love to respond.
Yeah. See, the cost is difference Oracle and AWS. AWS is charging 10% of Oracle IaaS. That's what client is moved to my client, one of the client. They did R12 lift and shift to AWS.
Yeah. But anyways, see, AWS, it's meant for this infrastructure as service, right? Very primarily.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
But Oracle is not meant for that. That is the reason. Like when you choose SaaS or PaaS, it is costing more, and means that is a different story. Here, that is not their business actually, right? So they have to
Correct.
keep eye on that, and they have to deploy the people, and for that, because Amazon is completely, that is their core business when you talk about that AWS. That is the reason they might offer less. But anyway, here like it's not a big game in case of Oracle when we talk about IaaS. The big game is here, SaaS and PaaS.
Yes, correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lakshman.
Yeah, thanks. Fine. Any other questions, please? Right. So, no questions. Good. Now, so just let's look at this point. So you may be a SaaS customer or PaaS customer. Okay, forget about IaaS. IaaS empty. Okay, empty box you will get. You can fill anything in that. So you may be SaaS or PaaS IaaS customer. So if you want to use Oracle Fusion applications, you get access to two environments. Those we call as instances. Okay, the software product which you get access means what we discuss, virtual server. Virtual server means instance, we call. Within the virtual server, you can have a software that we call as instance. Instance means, what is the English term meaning instance? What do you mean by instance? Forget about Oracle and other technology.
Example?
Sorry?
Example?
Example. Anything else?
Different groups.
Okay. Yeah, many are there. Many synonyms are there. Here, which
Blueprint.
synonym you have to take is replica, copy. Okay. So here instance means the copy of Oracle software, which you are going to get through virtual server. That's what we have to understand. As a company, if you want to use this SaaS or PaaS, by default, they will give you access to two instances. Two instances, they will give access. Typically, those two instances we use one for testing purpose, we call as a test instance. Instead of calling as instance, call it as environment also. So we get one test instance and one production instance. Two instances. Initially, if you are doing implementation for any client for 10 months is the duration, typically 7 to 8 months you will be working on the test instance. You understand the client business and you create the client enterprise structure and you set up payables, you test and you show to the client how they can create invoice, how they can make the payments, how to create the supplier, how to create the bank account, how to run the reports, everything you will show. This all we'll understand in our classes. So you have to show them, and that's how you will be traveling with this test instance for 6 to 7 months or max 8 months also. Once everything is finalized, now you will move to production instance. Production instance is the one which client will start using once you complete the setups, once you load their suppliers data, customers data, and unpaid invoices, unpaid transactions data within the production instance. Okay, typically two instances Oracle provides. One we use for testing purpose, which we call as test instance or test environment also. The other one we use for production that you can call as production instance or prod instance. Short name is prod. Okay, prod instance. And if you are using PaaS, platform as a service, you will have an additional privilege to do the customizations. There is no big difference between SaaS and PaaS. In SaaS, they don't allow you to do the customizations. Here they will allow. Just you will get additional privilege. That's all. That is the difference. And other points already we discussed. What is possible, how it works. Okay. So if you are a PaaS customer, if you want to do the customizations, you may get additional instance from Oracle for your customizations purpose that you call as development instance, or in short, you can call as dev instance. That is up to you. If you want to get it. For that, Oracle will charge. By default, you get test and production. Apart from that, you need one more or two more or 10 more, no worries. Pay and get. Even you may be SaaS customer, okay, but you want to test many integrations. So 10 applications you are going to integrate with the Fusion applications. So instead of doing all these in the test, okay, so you may use development instance. There your technical people will be working, they'll be connecting, they'll be testing, they'll be developing the new reports, they'll be testing. And again, they will ask us to test whether it is working or not. That's how we'll be just using the development instance. Development instance is not mandatory. Okay, we need production. Sometimes companies will put the name as a development that they will use for testing purpose. Based on the purpose we call these instances, sometimes you may see the name as a dev instance, but you will be using for a testing purpose. Don't think why I'm using test. You are using one instance for what purpose. With that name, you can call that instance. You don't need to worry about in the URL what they mention. Okay. So that's how it would be. So most of the companies definitely they go with more than two instances. Okay, this two they get, and depending on the need, many companies they'll go with 1, 2, 3 big client. Along with these two instances, they get 2, 3 development instance also. Okay, 2, 3 test instances also. That's how you see the reality. So this is what we have to understand. Okay. So we get by default 2 instances. If you need more than 2, you can get additional instances. One instance is test instance, other instance is production. Okay. So in test instances, we do all the testing. If everything is fine, we'll move to production. What are the setups? I'm talking about setups. What are the setups you do in the test instance? Those setups you can move to production instance also. There is a concept called as configuration package. Being a functional consultant means we can move the setups from test instance to production instance, we don't need DBA. If you want to move the setups and data from one instance to another instance, we need DBA support. Just setups, if you want to move, yes, we can move. Pretty simple. That too, that we'll see in our classes also. Yep. You may want to move the setups from test to development or development to test, or else test to production. All are possible. Only setups means we can do, along with the data means that should be done by DBA, database administrator. You have to contact Oracle for that, they will do it. And that's how this landscape of the instance. And we have to understand another instance also, that is vision instance. Vision instance is the instance which Oracle is providing for training purposes or for testing purposes. Generally, this instance Oracle don't provide to the clients. This they will provide to their partners. Take example, Wipro, Infosys, IBM, TCS. These all are Oracle partners. Okay, they are partners to sell Oracle product. Oracle itself cannot sell because huge market and all. So they just they can give the privileges to their partners to sell their product so that they can do more business. Now all these companies who are implementing Oracle for their clients, because all companies are Oracle partners. Okay, channel partners you can call. So for those companies, take example TCS. For TCS company, they will give this vision instance access so that TCS for their employees, they may train or they may use this instance internal purpose and other purposes. But clients, they'll give the fresh instances only. There won't be any sample data. In these instances, there won't be any sample data. Everything we have to create. And in this instance, there will be sample data. If you want to go and refer, you can refer. There'll be, you can find invoices data, you can find the suppliers data, you can find the payments data, you can find the bank accounts data. All the sample data would be available for learning purpose you may use. Okay. So, but in our classes, we are not going to use any sample data. Everything we are going to do from the scratch. We don't refer any data. We go with the fresh instance approach. Everything how we do as a part of implementation. What is the first step, second step, how we have to do. That is the approach we are going to follow. This is a landscape of the instances which we have to understand when we talk about fusion applications. So any questions from your end, please? And another point, we done for today. Okay, we done for today. In the tomorrow session, I'll take you through the instance. We'll see user creation, etc., etc. So we done for today. I'm not going to discuss anything. If you have any questions, you can stay back. Even if you don't have any questions, if you want to stay, be in the meeting to listen others' questions and discussions, you may stay back, or else you may quit if you have some urgent tasks. Okay, we're done for today. We'll connect tomorrow same time. Please stay back. If you have any questions, we'll discuss.